do it. I couldn't do it. This whole time I was thinking I was supposed to leave, and then when it came time to get on the bus, I couldn't do it. I'll figure college out later. All I know is I want to stay here with you. Oh my God. Donna. That's what I wished for.
Donna, we didn't get a chance to say goodbye.
You gotta get him drunk and make him rest.
Yes. Everyone knew this was our time. Too tired.
Yeah, pretty silly.
Knit and whittle.
Yeah, I hate the whittle.
Where's the aspirin? Oh, I could never woken up in a dress before.
What?
What's going on?
Ah, you fell asleep and you're like,
Really?
yeah, bro. And you kept opening your eyes and looking at that 70s show, and then when I laughed, you started laughing in your sleep at first, dude. And I capped it, bro.
Are you serious?
Yeah. I heard this noise. I heard like this noise, and I was like, what the fuck is he doing, dude? And I checked it out, and you're just like, I capped it so you could see it, dude.
Let me see it.